How to sync your Metamask wallet on PC with mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply create an account on Metamask on your mobile device by clicking on this option of get started, and after that click on this option of create a new wallet, and this way you would be given a secret recovery phrase on your mobile device. Just save that particular recovery phrase, either write it on a piece of paper or note it down on your PC or laptop. And after that, you will be able to confirm your recovery phrase and create an account for yourself on MetaMask on your mobile device. Now, when you do the similar stuff on your PC or laptop, just make sure that instead of clicking on this option of create a new wallet, select the option of import using secret recovery phrase. Now, there you would be pasting the same recovery phrase that we used while creating the wallet on our mobile device. And this way you would be able to sync your MetaMask wallet on PC with mobile, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.